Take a ride in the 2019 Q7. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio-digital sound processing, Audi Connect satellite communications, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display,